Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video on English with Altaf. Today we are going to talk about something really important. How making mistakes while learning English is not a bad thing, it actually means you're learning.
Yes, and we will explain why you shouldn't feel embarrassed or discouraged when you make mistakes. In fact, those mistakes are your stepping stones to success. Let's explore how changing your mindset can help you improve faster.
So Altaf, have you ever made mistakes while learning English?
Of course, Annie, I made many mistakes and I still make some even today. English is not our first language, so it's natural. But every mistake taught me something new. What about you?
Absolutely. I remember when I started speaking English, I used to say, he go to school instead of he goes to school. My teacher corrected me, and I felt bad. But later I realized if I didn't make that mistake, I wouldn't have learned the correct sentence.
Exactly. That's the point we want to highlight today. Mistakes are not a sign of failure. They are signs of progress. When we speak or write and make a mistake, someone can help correct us, or we can even discover the error ourselves.
Many English learners feel shy. They think, what if I say something wrong? But let me tell you, everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers sometimes forget grammar rules or say strange sentences.
That's very true. When a child learns to walk, he falls many times. But nobody laughs at the child. Instead, we cheer and encourage. Learning English is the same. Each mistake is like a fall that helps you get better balance next time.
Some students stop practicing English just because someone laughed at their mistake. That's very sad. We should support each other, not make fun of people who are trying to learn.
Yes, and if you're watching this, we want to tell you, don't give up. If someone laughs at your mistake, smile and keep going. That person isn't learning, but you are. Be proud of your efforts.
I also want to share a tip. When you make a mistake, don't just say, oh no, I'm bad at English. Instead say, okay, I made a mistake. Now I understand it better. This change in thinking is very powerful.
Very well said, Annie. Another thing is, don't be afraid to ask questions. If you're not sure how to say something, ask. Is it correct to say this? That's how you improve.
Yes, and don't wait until your English is perfect. Start using it now. Speak with friends, write messages, try new words. The more you use English, the more you learn. Mistakes will happen. That's a good thing.
Also, remember that fluency comes after practice, not before. You can't wait for the perfect moment. Every time you speak, you're building confidence. Don't let fear stop you.
Let's imagine you're in a shop and you want to ask, how much is this? But you accidentally say, how many is this? It's okay. The shopkeeper will probably understand you. Next time, you'll remember the correct way.
Exactly. And if you only stay quiet and never speak because you fear mistakes, you'll never improve. Practice is more important than perfection.
You know, some learners even stop talking completely because they feel nervous. But silence doesn't teach. Speaking teaches, writing teaches, trying teaches. That's why we say, mistakes mean you're learning.
That's why we made this video, to remind you that you're not alone. Every English learner faces this. Every successful English speaker made mistakes and probably still does.
So next time you speak English and make a mistake, just smile and say, "Great, I learned something today." That's the spirit we need.
And if someone corrects you, thank them. Corrections are gifts. They help you grow. Be happy that you got a chance to improve.
Also, don't compare yourself with others. Some people learn fast, some take time. That's okay. The important thing is to keep moving forward.
Yes, the only person you should compare yourself to is your past self. If you are better today than yesterday, you're winning.
Let's do a quick recap. What have we learned in this video?
We've learned that making mistakes in English is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign that you're trying, practicing, and learning. Mistakes help you grow.
We also learned that we shouldn't fear speaking, writing, or trying new things in English. Mistakes are normal and helpful.
And we reminded you to stay confident, ask questions, accept corrections, and never give up just because you're not perfect. English is a journey. Enjoy every step.
That's all for today's video. We hope you feel more confident now and understand that mistakes mean you are learning English.
Thank you for watching English with Altaf. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, your mistakes are your best teachers.
See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.
Goodbye and take care.